Hello viewers, how are you? This is Mr. Mpundu from Marvelous Academy Online Lessons. In this episode, I want us to do two questions from GCE Mathematics Paper 1 2024. So follow me as I do these questions. Question 15 says 2 points A and B have coordinates -5, -3, and -1, a. Given that the gradient of the line AB is 2, find the value of A. That was 2 marks. So basically, the question is coming from a topic called coordinate geometry. That is where the question is coming from. Now, we have been taught, given that the gradient of the line AB is 2, this is the value of the gradient of this line AB. Now, we need to know what is the formula for finding the gradient. Okay, so the gradient is given by y2 minus 1 divided by x2 minus x1. This is the formula for finding the gradient. Now, the coordinates we have are -5. I'm going to write it from here, -5, -3, and the second gradient -1, a. These are our gradients. So we are going to make these as this is x1, y1, x2, and the y2. All right, these are the coordinates. Now, from our question, we are going to substitute the values here. So, and the gradient we are told is equals to 2. This is the gradient. So m, this is the gradient, so we're going to put in a 2 equals to y2. What is our I2 from this coordinates? Y2 is equals to 1 minus y1, it is -3 divided by what is our x2. So our x2 is equals to -1 minus what is our y1, it is -5. So when we evaluate this one, you're going to have 2 is equals to a minus -3. So negative times negative, it is positive. So we're going to have a plus 3 over -1 minus -5. So negative times negative. So this is going to be -1 plus 5. -1 plus 5. Okay. So this is going to be 2 is equals to a plus 3 over, so -1 plus 5. So different signs we subtract. So this is the 4. So from here we are going to cross multiply. So a plus 3 equals to 2 times 4, it is 8. 2 times 4, it is 8. So a equals to 8. Then this one come this side, the sign will be negative. So our a will be 8 minus 3 is 5. So a is equals to 5. That is the value of a. Okay, this was question 15. A. Now go to question 15b, which says given that y is equals to 4x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 1, find dy dx. All right, so this one also it is coming from calculus. Okay, so we are differentiating here. So we are going to write dy dx equals to, we write this expression, which is 4x to the power 3 minus 2x to the power 2 plus 1. Okay, so when we are differentiating, we we write this power in front of the coefficient, and we multiply, then we reduce the power there by 1. So we are going to continue by saying dy dx equals to, so this one here will be written in front, which is now 3 open brackets, then you're going to write a 4x 4x to the power 3, so reduced by 1, okay, minus, even here the power will be written in front, then open brackets 2x to the power 2 reduced by 1 plus, so a constant number, it is a 0. Okay, so dy dx is equals to, so now here I'm going to multiply 3 times 4, we get 12x, then the power reduce, 3 minus 1, 3 minus 1 is equals to 2, so minus there, 2 times 2 is equals to 4x there, 2 minus 1, it is 1 there, so we will not indicate 1, so this was the final answer. Okay, so we go to question 17, and question 17, it's functions. So the question says the functions f and g are defined by f of x is equals to 3x minus 4, 3x minus 4, and the g of x is equals to x plus 1 over 3. Find a, the inverse of x, b, the composite function, c, the composite of negative 3. All right, so these are the questions we have. So we're going to find the first one, it is the inverse of f. How do you find the inverse of f? How do you find the inverse of f? So from here, the first one, we are finding the inverse of x. So the function of f is 3x minus 4. This is the function for f. So to find the inverse, this side we are going to introduce a y, okay, and equate to the same function, which is 3x minus 4. All right, so here we are going to make x the subject of the formula. So we are going to group y and negative 4. So this is going to be y plus, the sign will change, 4 equals to 3x. Okay, so y plus 4 equals to 3x. Then want to make x the subject of the formula, so divide both sides by 3. So even here 3, we cancel this and this one. We are going to have x is equals to y plus 4 over 3. So to write the final answer, we are going to say the inverse of x is equals to, so where there is y, we are going to put in x, so this will be x plus 4 divided by 3, and this was the answer here, x plus 4 over 3. Right, this was 1 mark. So this is the A. We go to B. So B, you're going to find the composite function. Going to find the composite function. Okay. So gf of x. So how do we solve this one? So I'm going to write it here. So gf of x there. So now we have got these two functions, g and f. Now we are going to write the function of the first letter, which is g. Okay, what is its function? the function for g is x plus 1 over 3. So I'm going to write it here. X plus 1 over 3. Now in this function, where there is x, we are going to insert the function of f. Okay, so here we are going to put the function of f. We first write the function of the first letter, and in that function we insert the function of the second letter, which is f. So in this case, the function of f is in 3x minus 4. So this same function we are going to insert in the function of for g. So here on x we are going to write 3x. We are going to write 3x minus 4, okay, minus 4 plus 1, which is here. We divide by 3, okay. So this is going to be 3x. So 3x, what is negative 4 plus 1? It is negative 3 over 3. So here, if you want, you can factorize, or you simply divide 3 into 3, 1, 3 into 3, 3 into 3, it is 1. So here the final answer would be x minus 1, okay, x minus 1 as our final answer. Okay, so we come to C. So C is g of f negative 3. So we have the function, for me the solution for this, which is in x minus 1. So in this function, in this expression, where there is x, are going to put negative 3. So this is going to be negative 3 minus 1, and the answer is equals to 4. Okay, so these are the solutions to these two questions. Please don't forget to share the video and subscribe to my YouTube channel, which is Patrick Mpundu Online Mathematics Lessons. Thank you so much for watching. May God bless you.